Hello guys, today we driving. First off, I need to teach you some things, right? So like on these roads, you go 30, right? And just vibe, just drive normally. Don't do anything. This car doesn't have indicators, but I'll teach you how to use those. All right, so we're gonna turn into a neighborhood, right? Just pretend indicators on. You don't put on the indicator on the last side. Oh, come on, I'm so dumb. This is a dumb idea. Let me show you a better thing to use. I could probably use right here. I could probably use this to show you guys how to do it. You turn on your indicator before turning to notify people, hey, I'm turning. And sometimes you're just okay. That's a little too fast. You don't go this fast on the main roads. Just drive normally. You just drive normally. You know, vibing, and you're just vibing. And we're gonna go to the highway. Just don't speed. You stay under 30, the speed limit, which is this road. It's 35. You can clearly tell. Oh yeah, use your lights when it's like dark out. Turn on your lights, please. You need to do that so you can see and people can see. Okay, you do that. And before you got pull over, you turn on your indicator to indicate that you're gonna pull over to the side of the road. You turn on your hazards. That's what some countries make you do. But in America, you don't have to do that. You just have to pull over successfully. So yeah, that's basically it. Stay under speed limit. Turn on your lights when it's nighttime. Use your indicators correctly. Bam, boom, bing, bing, boom, bomb. You know how to drive.